Hello everyone, my name is Tola Oguni and this is my YouTube channel. This channel is basically dedicated to technical analysis as it applies to the cryptocurrency market. Technical analysis basically is the study of price charts. This information is very crucial for investors and traders in the cryptocurrency market. If you're an investor, you're buying to hold a position for a number of years, and if you are a trader, then you basically buy a position and you're probably in the position between minutes to up to a couple of weeks. Technical analysis is very crucial because it helps you determine when to either buy, sell, or when to just wait on the sidelines and not have a position in the market. Please make sure to click the subscription link so as to be able to get my latest videos, and also check out my social media pages and also my website. See you in the next video. Thank you.